In this video, we will cover how to get big biceps. Stick around till later on in the video where we cover one of the most important keys for bigger biceps. Number 1, don't just focus on the biceps. While bicep exercises are good, you need to gain muscle on the whole body to support the arm growth. Focus on the back, legs, shoulders and chest. This will benefit the supporting arm growth. Big compound exercises help build muscle mass, such as deadlifts, squats, bench presses and pull-ups. A large part of your program should be on building overall muscle, and that will help your arms grow. After all, if you can do weighted pull-ups for reps, your back will grow and hence your arms. Number 2, work the triceps. The triceps make up about 2/3 of your whole upper arm, so growing your triceps will also make your biceps appear bigger. Exercises like bench presses, chest dips and lying tricep extensions can help build good arms. Moving a huge amount of weight for reps in the bench press will help the triceps and make the arms look bigger. Number 3, use a mix of bicep exercises. After you have your big compound movements worked out, now it's time for some dedicated bicep work. For beginners and intermediate lifters, you might use 2 bicep exercises. As an example, you might do 3 sets of standing barbell curls and 2 sets of dumbbell curls, around 8 to 12 repetitions for each set. You don't need to do 6 different bicep exercises per workout, as you're also working your arms with other exercises like bench presses and shoulder presses. Different exercises will make sure the bicep muscles are targeted from different angles. Big bicep exercises like barbell curls will stimulate more growth than, say, isolation exercises like concentration curls. Number 4, progressive overload. Work hard at adding an extra rep or some extra weight in your workouts. Progressive overload means gradually boosting the intensity of your workouts. Try and improve each workout, and this will help your arms grow. Number 5, use good form. Using good form will help build muscle. Don't swing the weight up or let it drop down too fast. Control the movement. Fast movements can increase the risk of injuries as well. Number 6, eat more. Fuel your growth with proper nutrition. Eating enough calories is crucial if you want to increase muscle mass. Undereating will hamper your gains no matter how hard you work at it. Even if you're following the best bicep workout ever, your arms won't grow without enough calories. If you're putting more weight on your stomach, then cut back the calories a bit. If you're not putting on any muscle, increase the calories. Number 7, protein and more protein. As well as extra calories, concentrate on getting enough protein. Protein plays a big role in muscular repair and growth. Work protein-rich foods like lean meats, eggs, legumes, dairy and fish into your diet. If you find it challenging to have protein from foods, protein powder shakes can help. While protein shakes aren't essential, they are a convenient way to get extra protein. Use protein powder in your cooking and add it to cereals like porridge. Protein bars are another supplement to look into as well. Number 8, track your progress. Track how many reps and sets you're doing. You can also measure your bicep circumference. This not only might motivate you, but also allow you to tweak your routine if necessary. The weight scales, tape measure and mirror can all work together to give you feedback. Number 9, be consistent going to the gym. Building big biceps doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication and consistent effort. Stick to your routine, increase the weights and resistance as you grow. Being consistent is one of the most important keys for bigger biceps. Number 10, the big picture. Don't just focus on the biceps, work the triceps, use a mix of bicep exercises, use progressive overload, have good form, eat more, include protein in your meals, track your progress and be consistent with your routine. With these tips and some dedication, you'll soon see the biceps growing. It's more than just doing a few curls, it's about knowing what to concentrate on and what to ignore. Please like and subscribe if you got any value out of this video. You might also be interested in this next helpful video on how to build muscle mass for skinny guys.